Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to join the Temu affiliate program. Open up the web browser. Here search Temu affiliate program. Click to open its site. Then click on sign up to earn. Press to accept. Enter your email to continue. Or you can continue with Google, Facebook, Twitter, and Apple account. Click to continue with your Google account. Choose your account to continue. Now you're signed into your Temu account. If you guys got some value, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Until next time, goodbye.